Hey, my beautiful family. Hey, I want you to have the opportunity. We're going to take a taste test, all right? I'm going to take a little quick taste test of my delicious Lebanese food, okay? And it's a little bit different from Indian food, because Indian food got a lot of spices. Lebanese food is more grilled, it is seasoned lightly, and it tastes really good. So I want to take a quick little taste, and I want you to enjoy this with me. All right, I'm having my great Aunt Agnes hold it for me. Hold it just like this. All right, now this here is lamb. All right, lamb is really good. See, the texture is really smooth. It's not. It looks like chicken, but it's not quite chicken. The texture is good. So let's take a little tip. Right now, as I'm going around with the texture in my mouth, the flavor is good. It's not too hard. It's not too soft. And it's going down my hatch really good. In fact, I don't feel no type of negative experience. In fact, it's so good. It tastes like chicken, but it's not chicken because the meat is lean. This is really good, especially if you're American. You want something more familiar. Lebanese food is good. Now I'm gonna take a piece of this shish kebab right here, and I'm gonna take a quick bite. Okay. Woo! Make me want to shout. Make me want to shout. Make me want to shout. Shout. Good. The texture is wonderful, and as I'm tasting it, it just brings some type of familiar to me. It tastes like sausage, and it's so good. Man, I'm enjoying this trip like no other. I thank God for my Aunt Agnes for allowing me to be with her partner. This has been an experience. 20 years I haven't seen her, and when I was 20 years ago, she was taking care of me then, and 20 years later she's taking care of me now. Lord Almighty God, you know, I'm grateful, and the truth be told, she's been an angel in my life all these years. And I want to say to y'all, I'm about to get out of here. I love y'all guys. Oh, look at this. This little piece of, I don't know what this is. Oh, tomato. Look at this pretty tomato. Oh, baby. I want to say God bless y'all. You can do all things through Christ to give you strength. And you know this. You can do this too. God bless you. Have a great day.